So you started picking locks. You've got your tools and you've been checking out a bunch of Locksport videos, but you find yourself with a whole lot of questions and not very many answers. Well, I'm going to show you several groups that you can join where there are pickers of all experience levels, including pickers that have been where you are right now, and they can help guide you through your picking journey, give you advice to keep you on the right track, and answer every last one of your Locksport questions. You might even find yourself a mentor. Now, all these groups are wonderful and you definitely won't be disappointed, but stick around till the end because I'm going to tell you about the absolute best Locksport group there is out there. So you've probably been scrolling endlessly through YouTube videos and ending up watching hours and hours of stuff that has nothing to do with the question you originally had. In fact, by the time you're sick of watching YouTube videos, you probably forgot your original question in the first place. Yeah, I know the feeling. I've been there. But after about 3 months of picking all by myself, I happened upon the Art of Lockpicking website. All right. And on that website, it mentioned the Facebook group for Art of Lockpicking. And like a light bulb went off. It was like, ding, like a light bulb moment. Oh, yeah. Facebook probably has a bunch of lockpicking groups. Once I joined my first group, I started finding all kind of Locksport groups. And it really took my picking to the next level. But yeah, Facebook has several lockpicking groups. It has the Art of Lockpicking. It has Locksport, Lockpicking, and Smithing. It's got Lockpicking. And for those of you in the UK, it's got UK Lockpickers, the Colosseum of Locksport, and Locksport Anonymous UK Lockpickers. And there's also Brummy Lockpicker as well. Now, these groups are open for anyone to join, and most just have some questions that you need to answer and rules that you need to agree to before you are let into the group. Now, once you answer the questions and stuff like that, the mods will take a look at your request, and sometimes it can take a couple of hours up to a couple of days for them to approve your request to join. Keep in mind that most of these groups are private as far as I know, but there are a couple in there that are public. Don't forget to like. The difference between the private and public groups are the private groups, anything that you post just is posted in that group. If it's a public group, anything that you post, all of your Facebook friends can see it. So just keep that in mind when joining the groups. If you don't want your Facebook friends seeing that you're picking locks, stick to the private groups. And most of you know how Facebook works, but you can post pictures and videos, you can ask questions or comment on other people's posts, and there's even a couple of people who sell locks on the Facebook groups. Greg Potter being my favorite. He sells a Locksport beginners bundle that includes an FNG set from Covert Instruments, which is wonderful for beginners. Also on Facebook is my Lady Locks page, which I fully expect if you're going over to Facebook to join a group, you go check out my Lady Locks page, give it a like, and check out what I've got over there. Next up is Reddit. Now, calm down. I know. Usually Reddit is a hellscape where the worst of humanity go to hang out, but the Lockpickers United have a subreddit over there called r/lockpicking, and I promise it is the exception. Okay. Now that sub also has some rules that you need to acknowledge in order to post, but it has several helpful links that you can refer to. There's information about the Lockpickers United belt ranking system, how to get belt ranked, and there's also a link to the LPU Belts website. Now, side note, the LPU Belts website is where you can find several locks ranked from easy to difficult using karate belt colors to denote their difficulty level. It's a great website to check out before buying any locks, as it tells you what their ranking is, and it kind of saves you money because you're not buying locks that are way too difficult or way too easy for you. And the LPU Belts website also just has tons of other information that you will find useful in your lockpicking journey. For more information on the LPU Belts website, I did an entire video covering that subject, and I will leave it linked in the description of this video. Other than the buttload of information that the subreddit has, you can also, again, post pictures and videos and ask questions or comment on other people's posts. Next up is Discord. The Lockpickers United also has a Discord server you can join. Of course, there are rules on the server that you have to agree to upon joining, but once you've agreed to everything, you're in. On the Discord server, there are things called channels where you can find actual live chats going on about several different topics, all lockpicking related in one way or another. And the LPU even has state-by-state channels where you can go to, chat with people that live in your state. There's a lock bazaar where you can buy and sell locks, and in any of the channel's topics, you can ask questions related to that topic, and there are several people usually online at that time that can answer your questions kind of in real time. So it's really nice. Now, of course, you can direct message on any of those social media platforms as well. All right, guys, look, pay very close attention to what I'm about to tell you. Last but not least is the Dragon's Lair Discord server, right? It's the absolute best group that there is to join for Locksport and lockpicking. And I'm not just saying that because it's my very own group that I created for my channel subscribers to go, where you can ask questions, talk to other lockpickers, check out the live stream schedule, buy and sell locks, post your own YouTube videos and giveaways. And there's also my very own merch store where you can buy all kind of cool Locksport related gear. Now, you need to be a subscriber of my channel to be able to join, and to score an invite, you just have to shoot me an email because look, we don't just let anybody in, all right? It's super exclusive. Okay? Just kidding, guys. Just shoot me an email if you are interested in joining. All right, guys, I hope you decide to join in some of these groups, but if you do nothing else, please go check out the LPU Belts website. It is one of the most helpful websites there is for lockpickers. To find out more about the LPU Belts website or how to navigate it, check out this next video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Subscribe.